and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a makeup look on this, more like a burgundy fall makeup tutorial, I guess you can say, using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. You guys can see that. Ah! Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is first go in with Alright, so we're gonna go for it. Alright, so I'm gonna mix these two top colors. So the two top colors that I picked was Silk Cream and MFEO, and I just mixed them together on any fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go back and forth in windshield wiper motions, and then kind of just doing those circular motions at the same time, but mostly just going up back and forth until I get the desired blend that I want. So that's what I'm doing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, and hit that bell as well. So again, just going to go back and forth. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side and just continue to blend back and forth in windshield wiper motions until I get the desired look that I want, and then at the end just kind of flicking it out to kind of make a cat eye effect with the eyeshadow. And then what we're going to do with the same brush is go in with buns. Using buns, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did with Silk Cream and MFEO and just kind of go back and forth windshield wiper motions on the crease until it's blended out enough to where I think it looks good enough. And then of course just going to flick it back towards the corner or the back corner, just again to get that cat eye effect. And once I do that, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then using Jax, what I'm going to do is take a smaller, more precise blending brush, and I'm just going to use that and stick more towards the corner of the eye and kind of make a little V arrow, if you will, just making sure it's more of a cat eye effect. And once I finish blending that out, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, so it has more of a cat eye effect. With that same smaller precision brush, I'm going to go in with Hunt and do the exact same thing I did with Jax and just stick to that corner, kind of fluff it out towards the inside, but mostly just sticking to the corner of the outline just to add another layer of color. Using my pinky, I'm going to go out in and grab Queens and just tap that all over the lid. I personally like using a finger for shimmery shadows better than a brush, so once I finish applying it all over the lid, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the color Beam and kind of just use that to highlight my brow bone and then also the inner corner of my eyes as well. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and applied the lashes off of camera, and now what I'm going to do is finish the bottom waterline? Waterline. Alright, so what we're going to do is go with that, I kind of just want to smoke it out, so what we're going to do is use Hunt's on a flat dense brush and kind of just use that to make an eyeliner stipple in a way. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is apply mascara to the bottom lash line. Yay! So now to finish off the fall makeup look, don't know what I'm going to call this video yet, I'm going to, I guess, line up my lips in a way. Last thing, I completely forgot. I completely lost it. Oh. It's right in front of me. Is Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. So now we're gonna go in with Urban Decay setting spray. Gotta love this bad boy. My hair is, ignore my hair. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.
Sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It doesn't tear you apart.
You're beautiful, lady.
Not bad. How'd your workout? I'm leaving that in the video.
What?
Doing that.
What are you talking about? Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
That video, stop that shit.